As my much appreciated regular viewers know, I've been enjoying my Ski-Doo Expedition Sport 600 EFI for years. Many channel viewers and personal friends have bought similar or identical sleds after witnessing the ironclad reliability and performance of my Expedition Sport 600 EFI. This year, thanks to an excellent trade-in offer from my local dealer, Algonquin Equipment, I've traded in the Expedition for a brand new 2024 Ski-Doo BackCountry Adrenaline 600R. What you see here is the BackCountry 600 out of the box with no add-ons. This BackCountry is equipped with a 146-inch track, 15 inches wide with 1.6-inch paddles. The BackCountry comes as standard with 2 pairs of link cleats, rail ice scratchers, single rider seat, open toe holds, DESS system, handguards, a 39-inch ski stance, and a low windshield. The BackCountry 600R E-Tec engine features direct injection and servo-controlled rave valves for a whopping 125 horsepower. There are a couple of reasons why I traded in the Expedition for the BackCountry. A big one was the generous trade-in offer by my dealer. The next was usage. My Expedition was an absolute star off-trail, but since I like to leave my home and ride the trails out of town, the vast majority of my riding was on groomed trails. The BackCountry is intended to be a 50-50 crossover, providing me better trail performance while still facilitating off-trail capability. Finally, there's the E-Tec engine. E-Tec has direct injection while the 600 EFI does not. E-Tec engines roar to life before you've even had time to fully depress the start button, which creates an unparalleled confidence in the reliability of the engine. The 600R also offers 125 horsepower, which seems like a completely unnecessary amount of power in a 670-pound vehicle. I can't tell you about the riding dynamics yet because we don't have enough snow in my area. All I can say is the clutch engages at a higher RPM than the Expedition, which I learned while loading the sled onto my trailer. This new Rev Gen 5 platform BackCountry weighs about 30 pounds less than the outgoing Gen 4 Expedition. Its shorter track should facilitate better on-trail handling, but I'll share more on that as the snowmobiling season opens in my region. I specifically asked my dealer not to install any of my accessories on this BackCountry so I could film DIY installs. In upcoming videos, you'll see how to install the Link 1+1 rack, Link 1+1 premium seat, glove box extension, heated cell phone holder, USB charger, and heated helmet connector. So, please join me this season as we learn how to accessorize, tune, and ride the Rev Gen 5 Ski-Doo BackCountry Adrenaline 600R.